How to save Instagram story to archive. In this video, I'll be teaching you to save Instagram story to archive in quick and easy way. Do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further delay, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is up to date to enjoy the latest features on it, and after that you need to launch your Instagram app and then log in or sign in to your account. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now on this page you need to select the three-line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Simply select the three-line icon at the top right corner. This will let you access the settings and activity page of Instagram. Now scroll down to the bottom of the screen and then select archiving and downloading option, which is under your app and media. Now on this page you need to simply locate the option for save story to archive, as it has been toggled on. If it has not been toggled on in this way, you need to tap on the button next to it and then toggle the bottom of save story to archive. Automatically, photos and videos that you post on your stories will be saved to your archive. So in this way, you can easily save Instagram story to archive. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.